Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Allow yourself to settle into the space. Gently close your eyes and begin to take deep, soothing breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, bringing in calm, bringing in peace. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension, stress, or discomfort you feel. Allow each breath to make you feel lighter, letting go of the weight of the day. As you continue to breathe deeply, visualize a gentle, enveloping light around you. This light represents compassion and understanding, glowing softly, providing comfort and warmth. Begin to affirm to yourself, embracing the natural human experience of fluctuating emotions. It's okay to have a bad day. Everyone has them, and they are a part of growth. You're allowed space. It's perfectly fine to need time to yourself, to step back and just be. You have permission to not have everything figured out all the time. Life is a journey of learning and discovery. I am allowing permission for myself to not have everything figured out. I am learning. I am growing. Life ebbs and flows, and we all have cycles. Some days are up and some days are down, and that is completely normal. I'm okay. Right here, right now. I am exactly where I need to be. I am allowing myself grace. It's okay to be gentle with myself, especially on the tough days. As these affirmations sink in, imagine each word as a wave crashing over you, soothing and cleansing you. With every affirmation, feel a little more released from the pressures, and released from the expectations you've been carrying. Now see yourself walking slowly through a quiet forest or along a deserted beach. Each step you take in this serene setting represents a move toward acceptance and peace. The natural beauty around you reflects the beauty of life's ups and downs. Sit down in this peaceful place and allow yourself a few moments to bask in the tranquility. Let the environment remind you that just as the world around you continues to exist in harmony through changes, so can you. When you're ready, gently bring your attention back to the present. Notice the surface you're resting on, the air against your skin, and the sounds around you. Take a few more deep cleansing breaths. When you feel ready, you may open your eyes, carrying with you the comfort and grace from this meditation. Thank yourself for giving you the gift of relief today. I love you. I love you.